What is the difference between filing a claim and filing a lawsuit? Hi, my name is Klotz. I'm a personal injury lawyer with Stevenson Klotz Law Firm in Pensacola, Florida. Join me as I answer this question for you today, or at least do the best I can to try to give you some ideas. What's the difference between filing a claim and filing a lawsuit? This is a pretty easy question to answer. Filing a claim is generally considered contacting the insurance companies that are involved with an accident, maybe the driver who was injured and then the driver who caused the accident. Both have insurance policies. Filing a claim is when you notify both of those insurance companies that there's been an accident, tell them the extent of the accident. You might provide them with information about your medical treatment and property damage and any other injuries that you may have, and then you have filed a claim. You have notified them that there's been an accident, that there's been an injury, and that you're requesting coverage under one or both of the insurance policies, and then you make a claim against that. Some people will try to do that on their own, and sometimes that's a good idea, and sometimes it's not. Most of the time people will contact a qualified and skilled personal injury lawyer to ask them about filing a claim with their insurance company. Because if your injuries are bad enough, or if the property damage is enough, then you're usually going to get your best value from filing a claim with your insurance company when you have the help of a skilled personal injury lawyer. So that's filing a claim. Filing a lawsuit is when you have filed a claim and the insurance companies, for one reason or the other, are not giving you the amount of money that you have asked for, or have not giving you a sufficient offer to cover your expenses or your injuries, and you feel as if they're not being fair, or they're not taking into consideration some things that they should be taking into consideration as far as injuries and the damage amount that's associated with those injuries, you can then file a lawsuit. Filing a lawsuit is when you actually have a pleading that would look, something like this. You would take this lawsuit, file it with the court, and it states what your injuries are and the facts and circumstances of the accident. You file it with the court. It's an official document. It's your official claim with the court saying we have a dispute over the amount of injuries, or we have a dispute over liability, or we have a dispute concerning the accident, and we want a jury to decide in this particular case what the appropriate award is. That's what filing a lawsuit is. So filing a claim is actually asking for compensation from usually the insurance companies, almost always insurance companies, but sometimes it can be a private individual or a business. Or filing a lawsuit, which is actually filing your court paperwork with the court, saying we have a dispute that we want a jury to resolve, and that's a more official process that will probably take a little bit longer than just filing a claim, but sometimes it'll actually end up getting you a better resolution. So I hope I've answered the question about what the difference is between filing a claim, filing a lawsuit. If you have any questions, we would be more than happy to talk to you about them. Give us a call. Again, my name is Klotz. I'm a personal injury lawyer with Stevenson Klotz here in Pensacola, Florida. Our telephone number is 850-444-0000, and our website, which has lots of helpful information on it, is www.stevensonklotz.com. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and I hope I've answered your question.